anyone to try the algorithmic trading. On top of this, Alpaca also has a paper trading account where you are given some simulated money to test out your algorithm. So in this video, we will show you how you can write a simple Python code to buy and sell your securities on Alpaca. First, you will need to install the Alpaca API library, Alpaca _trade API, and import in the library. Next, you will need to sign in to the Alpaca using your paper trading account with your paper trading API key and the secret key. So we will define a class to do all this, and the endpoint is given by paper-API alpaca.markets. So this is the standard API for paper trading account. So you can use the REST API command to sign in, and remember to add in the API _version v2. After you sign in, you can check your account status. You can also check the current quantity of a particular security that you have using the get position API. Next, you can define a method to submit your order. For example, I define my target quantity. So I will define a delta, which is the difference between the target and my current position. If it's more than 0, I will submit a buy order. Otherwise, I will submit a sell order. To submit the order, you will use the submit _order API. You enter all the details like the symbol, the quantity, the type is either limit or market. If you choose a market order, you do not need to enter the price. If you choose a limit order, you will need to enter the limit price. That's it for coding Alpaca API. Let's try it. So I will now instantiate an Apple stock, and it's active. And currently I do not hold any Apple stock. Let me submit for 25 as my target. So now I'm buying 25 Apple stocks. Let's go back to my Alpaca. Make sure you are in the app paper trading. If you want to switch to live account, you can switch back, but let's now on the paper trading account. You can look at your orders, and you can see now there are 25 quantity of Apple stocks pending for transactions. So now the market is closed. Once it's open, it will execute this order. This concludes the video on Alpaca API. The code can be downloaded below. If you like the video, please feel free to comment, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.